So here I have the Mindspace Desk Organizer, and I have it because my desk right now is terribly unorganized. So let's get this up and take a little look at her, see what it's like. Really easy to open up, of course. Looks like it's wrapped up in this plastic packaging right here. So that's been keeping it safe. Let's get it out of this plastic packaging too. There you go. And it feels like it's got some extra things in it here. It's got a little warranty card. It's got a little tag here that we don't need. And then it looks like it's got some drawers on it here. So right here, it looks like it has a little drawer, and that's actually tagged down as well. So let's get rid of that tag. Okay, so here we go. There's the drawer right there. A little drawer comes all the way out of it. Just a small little drawer here, probably for like paper clips, or you could even put in like sticky notes or something like that. Sorry, I just kicked my camera. So other than that drawer, it's one solid piece. Let's get that out so it stops banging around. But you can see it has one large slot here. This one's probably big enough for paper. It's got one little shelf right here. It's got two more slots right here, 1 and 2, and then two smaller slots right here as well. And this looks like it's made of a nice, pretty strong metal mesh. It's all black. Feels pretty lightweight, and on the bottom of it, you can see it has these 4 little foot pads, so that'll keep it from either damaging your desk or from sliding around or making a lot of noise and stuff like that. At its tallest, it's about 5 inches, and it looks like it's a little under 9 inches, maybe 8 3/4 of an inch in that direction, and it looks like it's about 5.5 inches in that direction right there. And the little drawer looks like it's about 3 1/4 inch by 3 1/4 inch. So that's actually a square. And it's got this little divot in it, so it's easy to pull out right there. And then you can just put it in there. So let's get it on my desk and fill it with a few things and see how well it works. So here I want to give you an idea of what I'm doing with it on my desk. I actually found that this little tray here is a good place to keep my wallet. Down in this drawer right here, you can see I'm keeping a bunch of USB and USB-C power cords for my electronic devices. Back here, I have a notebook and my to-do list. And right here is a good spot to keep my pens. I right now have 5 of them in there, and they all fit really easily, really easy to grab in there as well. I also have my knife here that I use to open boxes. And then I have a couple controllers here for lights in my room, and that left me with one little container open for now. So you can see that it fits really nicely on this desk right here, especially up on this second shelf because it's nice and small, and also provides enough space for everything that I need there. So you can see it looks really good too, and that all black. So I'm really happy with it. I think you'll be happy with it. Feels sturdy, feels like a nice quality desk organizer. So go ahead and get yourself one if you're looking for one. I think you'll be happy with it.